Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to discuss dealing with the feelings of lust. Lust. It's one of those feelings that's so pleasing to the flesh, but completely detrimental to the Holy Spirit that lives within you. You see, feeding into the feelings of lust will without question lead down a path of sin. So the question becomes, how do I stop feeding this feeling that feels so good? I've got one suggestion for you. Let your love for God be greater than your love for self. You see, as a believer, your life is no longer your own. And the love that you have for yourself, it pales in comparison to the love that He has for you. So for a God who is good, a God who is kind, a God who is loving, and a God that is full of grace and mercy, do your best to please Him before you act to please yourself. In 1 John chapter 2, I want us to look at verses 16 through 17. It says this, for the world offers only a craving for physical pleasure, a craving for everything we see, and pride in our achievements and possessions. These are not from the Father, but are from this world. And this world is fading away, along with everything that people crave. But anyone who does what pleases God will live forever. Here's the bottom line. One day, the person that you're lusting after, they'll fade away. The things that you see and crave for, they'll fade away. But there is life after death. And those who live to please God today will live to experience true pleasure for eternity. If you really want to overcome the feeling of lust, let your love for God be greater than your love for self.